the ultimate guide to a healthy diet, transforming your life through nutrition. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the keys to a healthier and happier life. Today, we'll dive into the world of nutrition and discuss the essential components of a healthy diet. By making conscious choices about what we eat, we can transform our lives and achieve optimal well-being. So, let's get started. Imagine waking up every morning feeling energized, having a sharp mind, and feeling confident about your overall health. It's all possible through a healthy diet that nourishes your body from the inside out. But what exactly is a healthy diet? Let's break it down into its core elements. Segment 1. Balanced and varied meals. The first pillar of a healthy diet is balance and variety. It's crucial to include a mix of essential nutrients in our meals. Aim for a combination of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. This ensures that your body receives a wide array of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Segment 2. Portion control. Portion control is another vital aspect of maintaining a healthy diet. While it's important to enjoy your favorite foods, moderation is key. Be mindful of portion sizes and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Incorporate smaller plates, chew slowly, and savor each bite. This way, you'll avoid overeating and promote a healthier relationship with food. Segment 3. Hydration. Staying hydrated is often overlooked but is just as important as the food we eat. Aim to drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day to support proper bodily functions, maintain energy levels, and improve digestion. Remember, staying hydrated contributes to clearer skin, improved cognitive function, and overall well-being. Segment 4. Healthy snacking. Snacking doesn't have to be unhealthy. Instead of reaching for sugary or processed snacks, opt for nutrient-dense alternatives. Nuts, seeds, fresh fruits, yogurt, or homemade energy bars are excellent choices that provide essential nutrients while keeping you satisfied between meals. Segment 5. Minimize processed foods and added sugars. Let's talk about processed foods and added sugars. These can wreak havoc on our health and well-being. Aim to minimize your intake of processed foods, which are often high in unhealthy fats, sodium, and artificial additives. Similarly, be mindful of added sugars in beverages, desserts, and processed snacks. Instead, focus on whole, unprocessed foods for optimal nutrition. Segment 6. Meal planning and preparation. Meal planning and preparation play a significant role in maintaining a healthy diet. Take some time each week to plan your meals, create a shopping list, and prep ingredients in advance. This practice helps you make mindful choices, reduces reliance on unhealthy takeout options, and ensures you have nutritious meals ready to go. Segment 7. Seek professional advice. If you're unsure about what constitutes a healthy diet or have specific dietary needs, consider consulting a registered dietitian or nutritionist. These professionals can provide personalized guidance based on your unique requirements, helping you create a sustainable and effective eating plan. Lastly, remember, a healthy diet is not about strict restrictions or deprivation. It's about making informed choices and embracing a lifestyle that supports your well-being. By incorporating balanced and varied meals, practicing portion control, staying hydrated, choosing healthy snacks, minimizing processed foods and added sugars, and planning ahead, you can achieve a healthier and happier you. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this guide to a healthy diet